Electric vehicle charging infrastructure is one of the major developments that has to happen along with electric automobiles. The Volkswagen introduces its own charging service known as VCharge. Today we are going to discuss about Volkswagen's own electric car charging service called VCharge. It is rolling out the service to help out the users to charge their electric car at over 150,000 electric car charging stations all over the Europe. The charging card launched by Volkswagen named VCharge provides easy access to these charging points. Volkswagen is planning to make electric vehicle charging as easy as possible. The Volkswagen subsidiary Eli is developing all these services and products. Now let's check out the tariff and other features of VCharge charging facility for electric vehicles. The VCharge has three charging tariffs available now. First one is VCharge Free, the second one is VCharge Go, and the third one is VCharge Plus. The charging tariffs are tailored to different user groups. The VCharge Free tariff that does not have a monthly fees is best suited to drivers who rarely use public charging stations. The VCharge Go is for regular public charging point users. It provides lower prices for individual charging. The VCharge Plus plan is mainly for the drivers who frequently use public charging network. There is one high power charging network in Europe, Ionity. Ionity is a joint venture of BMW Group, Ford Motor Company, Mercedes-Benz AG and Volkswagen Group with Audi and Porsche. The high power charging network Ionity can be used at attractive price with VCharge Go charging service. Here is a table that shows the charging tariffs of VCharge service from Volkswagen. Now let's check out the details of VConnect ID app. The other digital functions are provided by an app known as VConnect ID. The following are the important functions of this app. It helps out to locate all available VCharge charging points. It provides information about the charging price. It lets the users know the availability of charging points. For example, if the charging point is free to use or not. In addition to these basic functions, the app has more duties. The app informs the users which are all the charging stations that works purely on green power. So the user can wisely select the charging stations if he is really concerned about the environment. There is an intelligent route guidance that take into account the availability of charging points and the chosen charging strategy. Furthermore, it provides online services such as charging statistics and access management, that is remote control. What are Volkswagen's other e-mobility plans? The world's major automobile manufacturers had already declared their electric mobility plans a while ago. The Volkswagen Group also has their own plans on electric mobility. In another 10 years, Volkswagen plans to launch around 75 electric car models to make the e-mobility much attractive. Through Ionity, Volkswagen is involved in building up a network of high-power charging stations across Europe. There are currently some 250 Ionity charging parks in operation in 20 countries, with a further 50 under construction. It is planned to build a total of 400 charging parks, thus creating the best and most powerful charging network for electric vehicles along Europe's long-distance transport corridors. Do you know that the charging stations in Britain outnumbered the gas stations? To know more, watch this video on this screen right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I publish another interesting video about electric vehicles.